Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple but elegant gingerbread house that's perfect for beginners. Start off by gathering all of your icing and the ingredients that you want to decorate with. I recommend using your own icing, made out of 2 liquid egg whites, 3 cups of powdered sugar, and then just beat it together really fast until it forms a thick paste. You can add water if you want to run it down. Now I'm just piping a really simple roof on, but here's some other ideas that you can do for other shingles that I practiced on graham crackers. You can use things like pretzels, almonds, or even marshmallows, sprinkles, or Coke bottles. And now you can just do your sides. Here I'm just piping in the windows and the door. And then I'm making a really simple and elegant wreath using like a flower piping tip. And then grab a cake turntable and a board for easy decorating. Spread out a bunch of icing or marshmallow fluff like I'm doing here for a super thick and sticky snow base. Now stick all of your sides and your pieces together using icing. And then add whatever decorations you want to the front to make it more pretty. And then you can dust it with icing sugar for a really nice snowy effect. And then you're done! Here's a simple but elegant gingerbread house. Thanks for watching!